Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make spaghetti porridge. I know. If you never had it, listen, you gotta try it. This is different. It's really good. It's delicious. Growing up, it's something that we used to eat. Not every part of Haiti eat spaghetti porridge, because some parts eat dumpling with milk, but where I came from, we eat mostly the spaghetti porridge. Dumpling and milk is something I actually found out when I went to the city, when I leave the city. So let's go ahead and make sure how to do it. So you'll need a small pot, add some water and some cinnamon sticks, star anise, lemongrass if you can find it. You'll find at like Whole Foods, Stop and Shop, or Giant. That's where I normally find them. Add it to it, a little bit of salt to taste, and let it come to a boil. And if you also have like some fresh ginger, a little piece of fresh ginger will give it a really nice flavor. Add the spices and let it come to a boil. And once your water boils, we're gonna add the spaghetti. I'm using spaghetti for this recipe, but you can use whatever pasta you want. If it's much you have, feel free to it. But I had spaghetti, so we're using spaghetti, and that's what I grew up using anyway. So once the water boils, go ahead and add the spaghetti, and you can break it. We're trying to break it up, make it smaller, because you're gonna blend it with and cover cover. When it cooks, you want it to be really soft. So because you're blending it, once it's cooked. So be sure to add enough water and let it cook all the way through, so it's like very soft and soggy. Make sure that you add enough water, because you're gonna use whatever water you leave. When the pasta is done cooking, you have a little bit of liquid, because you're gonna use that to blend it along with the milk. So for me, I am using coconut milk as well, but if you don't like coconut milk, or let's say you don't want to use dairy, you could just use coconut milk. But you see it's still not all the way cooked, so I let it cook a little bit longer, because you want it to be like very soft, so it could blend easier. It could have a texture, because even when you don't really get like a smooth texture, but if you want like a super smooth texture, you probably will have to use a strainer to get that smooth texture. So once it's cooked, remove the cinnamon sticks, the star anise, and the lemongrass, and I also added a vanilla bean. I didn't mention that. I added a little vanilla bean in there too. So remove those sticks, the stuffing out of it, and then let it cool down before you blend it a little bit. And as far as the milk is concerned, let's say if you're not a dairy person, you don't eat dairy for whatever reason, you can just use coconut milk or soy milk. I've never done it with soy milk, but I prefer soy milk over the other beverages, over almond milk and cashew milk. But I did use coconut milk to blend it, and once you blend it, transfer it back to the same pot. The cinnamon sticks that you removed earlier, are gonna transfer them back in there, okay, because you want all the flavors. You still want the flavors. And add the milk. I'm using evaporated milk, but feel free to use fresh cow milk if you want, but evaporated milk give it a nicer creamer texture, taste. So use that. Sometimes I mix it, but it'll be very creamy. Use a little bit of cream, and it will be so creamy. And add sugar to sweeten it. I used light brown sugar. That's what I had at home, so that's what I'm gonna use. Yeah, give it a stir, and then add a little bit of star. I added a little bit more cinnamon stick, because I love cinnamon, so I really wanted that taste. And some ground nutmeg if you have some nutmeg, and some lime zest. All these flavors, and a little bit of, if you like too. Then once you add these things with the vanilla extract or the almond extract, you can use either or, and give it a nice stir, and let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. And that's it. That's the recipe. Porridge is just something that we eat in the evening back in Haiti growing up, so it's something you definitely eat in the evening. Also, when eating porridge in Haiti, we normally eat it with bread. If you have some nice bread, fresh bread from the bakery you picked up this morning earlier, I'm recording this at night, so like actually wanting. So let's say you have some fresh bread at home, use that to eat it, because that's how we eat it, with bread. It's delicious. It's what I love porridges. I love all of them actually, but I'll say my top 3 favorite porridges is the cornmeal, rice pudding, and plantain are my top three favorites. Actually, no, the white flour, the toasted. Oh my gosh! So okay, I love all of them. So, but the toasted white flour, the cornmeal, the plantain, oh, and the bulgur wheat. Oh my gosh! See, I love all of them, so I can't even tell you. So this is it, you guys. If you made it this far, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to get more, and turn on your post notifications so you would never miss out when I put a new video. And please subscribe to my website for my written recipes if you'd like to support me there. The link will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy this recipe.